on my head today. And if it looks familiar, because it is, it's the last review that I did. Same hair, different color. So it is from the Equal, put this a little bit closer. It is from the Equal Freedom Part Lace Front Wig, 204 in color OT 530. So it's like an ombre black into the burgundy. I don't know if I said this in my last video, but it is, I measured it. It is about 32.5 inches long. So yes, honey, this is inches, like I said in the last one. So this is what you're looking at. All these inches, boo-boo. So pretty much I just wanted to go ahead and let you guys know about this hair. It's pretty much, like I said before, same density as the black one. Pretty much same everything. It's just the color is different. Now, I had the other one. I wore it for about 3 days straight. And it's still pretty much the same. Like, it literally still looks the same. It's a little tangle here and there, but nothing too crazy. A little bit of shedding, but nothing too crazy. It's really holding up really well. So I figured I should go ahead and just do a review on this one, which is the OT 530. So packaging and everything is the same. So I'm not going to show you guys that. Same thing as before. 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and it does have that what is that called? It's like an elastic band around the perimeter that kind of holds it, like it holds your wig. Like it's like this, I don't know, but it holds your wig. Like it's around the whole entire thing. I did cut some baby hairs in this, as you can see, and I just added some of my LA Pro concealer on the top there just to make it a little more realistic. Again, with this one, I think I am gonna add the powder again because I think it's just a little bit too shiny for me. Might not be for everybody else, but it is for me. But pretty much nothing to say. It's holding up. The black one is holding up really good. I just got this one today, so I'm pretty sure it's gonna be the same as the other one. The color is really nice. It's not, see that? It's not too light and it's not too dark. For me, it's just right. Like I really love the color on this. Like it's a really, really nice burgundy or wine, whatever you want to call it. So it's really nice. I'm short, so you can't really see. That's why I keep lifting the hair up. But it's really good length. It has good length to it. So if you are that type of female like me that likes inches and want to do something really, really quick, just go ahead and get you this Equal Freedom Part Lace Wig 204. This is what this hair is, and I will show you this again. Sorry. It is this one right here. And it does come in 1B, 2, 4, OT 27, OT 30, OT 530, which is this one, and OT 613, I'm sorry. So yeah, if you're looking for something nice and quick and really nice, again, this is a synthetic wig, so you know how that goes with the synthetic wigs. But yeah, like I like it. That's why I went to go buy another one. I saw in a couple of other videos that a lot of people said that they weren't able to do the baby hairs. I really didn't have a hard time doing it. I just held some of the hair back and I, kind of cut around and just swooped. That's it. Like, I didn't really have an issue doing the baby hairs. So that wasn't an issue for me. So you can do baby hairs if you want to. Just add your concealer to make it look realistic. I think that's pretty good right there. And the baby hairs laid. So I think it's good. I think it's good. So you guys, if you like this hair, you like how it looks, go ahead and get you the hair. Again, comment down below, like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will be back with another hair review soon. I do have a hair I want to show you guys. I thought it was really cute. I am going to tell you the color. It's like a rose. It's called Dusty Rose. I thought it was so cute, so I am going to review that for you. And then there's another one I want to review for you guys, that's soon to come, so please stay tuned. And like I said again, make sure you like and subscribe, comment down below, and thank you guys for watching.